Hey there, my name is Bill Hawthorn, and I wanted to introduce myself to you because if you're interested in buying and selling real estate, then I think perhaps you and I should probably stick together for a few videos anyways, because I have a lot to show you. Here's why. 21 plus years I've been buying and selling creative real estate deals, hundreds of transactions done myself, personally. Then I decided to start coaching some of my friends and helping some people that I know, and I taught them how to do it. And now I've taught a few hundred people how to do what I do. And the magic is this. Nelson Rockefeller said way back in the day, the way to generate massive wealth is to own nothing and control everything. And I have mastered that, and I'd like to show you how you could do the same thing. Yes, I'm talking about no money down deals. I'm talking about acquiring loans. I'm talking about all kinds of ways. And if you think you've heard of this stuff before and it's not for you, just give me a couple minutes in a video and I'll explain them, and then you can decide whether you and I should part ways. Okay? So go ahead, just click the link below here, and I have a 14-day email course for you that I take you through the entire process. And you'll get an email every single day starting today, and I'll explain it. And you be the judge if I'm full of crap or if I know what I'm doing. Okay? So go ahead, click the link below this video. It's probably in the description if you're on YouTube, or wherever you are watching this video. Just click the link, and I promise to take you for one heck of a journey on how you can change your life, especially your financial life, and buy your time back. Okay? Thanks for listening to my video, and I hope we chat soon.